Isn't it the worst when your client comes in, you're ready to do their procedure, you sit down, you put your gloves on, and you're ready to work. But then you realize that you forgot something. Now you have to deglove and start all over again. What about ordering your disposable tools from many different suppliers and having a stockpile of boxes all over your studio? That's why Tina created the Sterile Kit, so that you have all of your disposable must-haves for any PMU procedure. Plus, it's now half the size, reducing the amount of waste that you create in your studio. The Disposable Sterile Kit was designed so that your procedure setup can be professional, quick, easy, cost-efficient, and organized. As you open the Sterile Kit, you'll find the disposable bed sheet, which you can unfold and drape over your client during the procedure. Below that is the tray, wrapped in the table paper. Make sure that you open this over your tray so that this does not come in contact with any unsterilized surface. You'll also find a client drape, which you can put on your client while you work. This is also a great way to take before and after pictures and keep it very consistent. Next, you'll find a disposable trash bag, which you can use throughout your procedure to dispose of your trash. The white headband is great for keeping your client's hair out of their face, as well as taking consistent before and after photos. Next, you'll find 3 sets of gloves, 2 medium and 1 small. Next, you'll find the machine cord cover. This clear cover is open on both sides so that you can easily feed your machine through. This prevents the risk of any bloodborne pathogens. The Sterile Kit also comes with a clear face mask. This is for you as the artist to wear while you work. The finger cot is used over your machine cover, keeping it secure and in place while you work. The plastic cup is used while you work and can hold any liquids such as water, green soap, and any cleansers. You'll also find that there are cotton pads. These can be used during the procedure to wipe any pigment off of your client's skin. Then you'll find your disposable tools. There's 1 spoolie that is great for your pre-draw, and there's 5 cotton swabs that can be used during the procedure. Then you'll find 2 pigment rings with sponges, which are great for preventing any spillage. You'll also find 3 fine brushes, which are great for creating fine lines within the eyebrows, as well as tracing any eyeliner or lip pigmentation. The Sterile Kit also includes 4 alcohol pads, which are great for using to clean off your client's skin before or after their procedure. You'll also find a sticky ruler, used for measuring your client's brows in the pre-draw, as well as using it after the procedure is done to ensure your clients that their brows are symmetrical. The Sterile Kit tray comes with a compartment for all of your wet and dry disposable tools. Along the front, you'll find 6 pigment wells, as well as a slot for your pigment rings to put them in an upright position to prevent any spillage. Each component of the Sterile Kit is EO gas sterilized. In addition to this, each kit is marked with a lot number, manufacturer, and expiry date. While holding training, instructors, students, and health inspectors appreciate the extra measures of the Sterile Setup Kit. The Sterile Kit is great for your day-to-day operations, and it's amazing if you're traveling because of its compact size. It's also great if you have a training class or academy to hand out to the students because it's super convenient for them. The Sterile Kit is going to make your work much easier, more efficient, and safe for your clients, so you can focus on the customer and doing your best work.